Hello, human beings. This is Elisha, and welcome to the first vlog of 2021.
It's calling me like the rainbow. It's calling me like the rainbow. The rainbow. It's calling me like the rainbow. It's calling me like the rainbow.
So, today's vlog is basically a travel vlog because this travel happened in 2020. And to be very honest with you, I shouldn't be sharing 2020 in 2021. I don't know if that's okay. But since if someone has already seen my previous video, I mentioned that I didn't get time to edit any of the videos, and that's the reason I was actually not uploading any videos on YouTube for a very long time. So without further ado, let's start with this vlog, and I hope that you guys enjoy it. The first day, there are a couple of ways to go to Calgary. We went by road and we drove non-stop from Winnipeg to Calgary. It was summer, very nice weather, and we enjoyed it. Okay, so right now it's 7:30 a.m. In the morning. I just woke up, realized that I don't have my toothbrush. I forgot it at my home, and yeah, I'm just going to. Usually they have it downstairs on the reception. Like we are staying in the hotel, so of course they should have in the hotel. But I just called them and they said that they're out of stock. So there's a small little shop just right outside the hotel. So I'm just going there to bring to buy that. So let's go. Oh, shoot. Check this out. Check this out. I'm just going inside this shop because I don't have a toothbrush. I just gotta buy it. And let's see. And after that, just stay with us. We have a plans. Surprise. Hi. Do you have a toothbrush? Toothbrush. Oh, just one left? That should be it. I'm heading towards the hotel right now, and that's where I'm gonna take a shower, get ready, and then we'll head outside. Yeah, check this out. So beautiful, man. Whew. And one more thing I forgot to tell you guys is that wherever you stay in the hotel, you usually get the breakfast free. So this is the scrambled egg, and down in this bag there is the fruit, juice, yogurt, and everything. So I'm just gonna have a breakfast after everything. Too hot, but it's worth it. It is beautiful. So it's the second day, and this place is known as Lake Louise, one of the places where most of the photography from Canada, um, and most of the photographers from Canada, other photographers, they actually come to this place to take the pictures. Let me show you guys how dope this place is. Now, what I don't like about this is since this place is getting more visitors, and as you guys can see that it's too busy. It's getting so places like this, they are always busy, not in summer only. People are actually visiting these kind of places in winter. But when we are visiting these places, we have to make sure that we are not making these places dirty, because as I just spotted, see this, people literally throw the garbage and litter here, which is not good. I mean, you have to respect the nature, and it's just like the Canada is getting multicultural, so people are coming from all across the world. They have people, they have the whole community which take care of these places, but again, it's our responsibility whenever we are coming on these kind of places. We have to make sure that we are not making litter, we're not doing anything which is harming the nature, because again, at the end of the day, it's busy and it's beautiful. So yeah, I can't explain, like the camera is not doing justice. Trust me, it's beautiful. You have to see it with your own eyes, because what you can see with your own eyes, you can't actually see that with the eyes of the camera, no matter what. So yeah, other than that, we have other places to visit too. This is Lake Louise. We are going to Lake Marine after this, and I hope that that place is cleaner than this. After that, we have a plan to, actually we had a plan to New, as you guys can see there, but it's a huge lineup. See this? Probably like 100 of people there, and they are waiting to do the canoe thing. It's people in the lake, as you can see. If you can see that, the people are in the canoe, they're enjoying. We were also waiting, but after waiting for like half an hour, we just took off because it was not worth it, and we're just taking some nice shots here as well as enjoying. So yeah, this is Lake Louise. See you in Lake Maureen. If you guys like the video, please hit that thumbs up button, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And as always, I'll see you in the next video. Until then, peace. The other thing is, people are looking at me as I'm stupid. I don't know why. I'm just vlogging.